Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I did another video. The beginning of the year has been crazy. I just packed quite a few of these and I'm going to go ahead and show you what these are. So if you guys are new here, please like and subscribe to my channel. I like to talk about all things budgeting, planning, organizing, all that, you know, being in the right mindset, motivating yourself to do better. So I decided, is my coffee cup in the, okay, hopefully it's not in the camera. I decided to this is not a subscription yet, but I'm looking towards moving it that way. I had quite a few people that really showed interest, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the items that are going to be in the January. Now, I put 50 on the website, like for 50, but I do have a lot more. I think I have close to maybe 90 because I only have, originally when I first did it, I was supposed to do the saving challenges, but because I was starting in February, they weren't going to be here in time. So then I thought, oh my goodness, let me do the dashboards because they match with the stickers. So it made total sense to just do this package, like, because it all matched really nicely, you know. So next month is going to be March. So next month it'll change. You'll have, everything is going to be different. Okay. So next month I'll probably have the 5 saving challenges. So I do have close to 100. So what I decided to do is I decided to do 3 sticker sheets, which are these. These were created by me, and I wanted something different because you guys know I don't do like I haven't done like, hold on one second, the little icons, and I thought, oh my goodness, how cute is that, right? So these are the icons, and I thought how cute are the little stickers, and it would match perfectly with the budget planner because, you know, it's just like that minimal look, right? So then this dashboard is for February. So as you guys know, in the shop, I call these my vision board dashboards. And I originally, a couple years ago, maybe 2 years ago, I started off with one, and it was the very first one that I did. And then moving on every month, every season, I started adding the other ones that we have in the shop. So these are the vision board dashboards. So I wanted one of these. And then this is the 4x4 that I wanted for a motivational card, and it says, my current mindset, I can and I will, watch me. So I thought that was cute. So these are the items that are for February. So you have your February dashboard. This is all created. This is not just found and printed. Everything is, you know, strategically created. And I have the same one for April. Well, it's a little bit different. So there's this one, and then we have, again, the 3 set. I thought they were really cute, along with the sticker sheets. So you have weekly meal prepping. These are just like all the small different little icons that you can put on for like the week or like the month. So you have your weekly meal prepping. You have like all these, so cute. And then here's the icons. Love the icons. So you have the 3-pack, the 3 stickers, the dashboard, the motivational card. Now, most of all, this is so amazing. I'm just going to scoot this over here just so I can show you this here. These are the cards. These are the cards. I ended up getting these off of Amazon. I thought, oh my goodness, how adorable. And the thing about it is that they have different colors. So I was like, oh my goodness, I was so happy. You should have saw me. I was taking like hours looking all over the place trying to find the perfect folder or the card set. I just was looking everywhere. Couldn't believe when I found this. I said, oh my goodness, exactly what I was looking for. So they have different colors. So everything would go in here. So now, the other thing about this is that, hold on, let me get the bow. Oops, that's not pink. So basically there's a paper clip too. So these were all assembled. Everything was bought separately and then put together. So then we have the thank you cards. I'm sorry, the little thank you notes. This is my word. Thank you for being here. Your support truly means the world to me. I hope the monthly packet brings you motivation, organization, and a little joy as you continue your budgeting journey. One step at a time. You got this. It's just a little bit of, it's a little thank you card. And then on top of that, I wanted the vinyl sticker. So I wanted to create a vinyl sticker to also go with the pack. And I currently have a couple different ones that are in my shop that I had created. So this one's, you're doing better than you think. And so then I put the pink behind it, so that way it would match with everything. So everything was actually created exactly to match. And that's my thought process, creativity, or whatever. I don't even know how to say it. But now to top it off, I thought this was so fantastic. So if you guys are new, you guys know that I've been coming out with the calendar. I've had that for a couple years now, and I would create the calendar, and I would put it in my link tree, share it with the Facebook group, share it with everybody. And basically every day, this is a 5x7 card. And so, so I've been doing this for a couple years, and I would create this. Email goes out on Sunday, which the email did. The lives are on Friday. The theme for February is love, self-care, and intentional spending. And so it's basically all right here. It says love, self-care, intentional spending. Well, it doesn't say spending, is for this month. Okay, monthly money packs launch. Today is Monday, so it's a self check-in. How do you feel about money right now? It's an honest question. And so today I decided to post something a little bit more inspirational for Instagram. It's about motivating yourself to keep going no matter what you are going through. If you feel like you're starting something new and you're feeling a little bit more like, or you're feeling like a little bit more defeated, I don't know how I got here, I don't know if I can do this, it's stressful, please just take a deep breath and take a step back, because it's just, you're getting overwhelmed, and I want you to end up feeling confident with what you're doing. You don't need to do a ton of things all at once. It's really just little by little. Okay, and I always try to say the first step is your budget planner and then learning cash envelopes. That's it. Don't worry about anything else. So going back to the calendar, every day there's a different. So tomorrow morning, I'll go ahead and post this budget love. Highlight one category you're proud of in your budget. It's just different motivational or inspirational tips and things like that. There's also the pop-ups or things that I'm doing. Okay, now I'm sorry, like sales. So for today, because people were feeling a bit blah, you know what I said? I said, you know what I'm going to do? I put the budget planners for 50% off. Yes, I did. So you can use the code budget50, all one word. All of the budget planners are 50% off. All you got to do is put the code budget50. So maybe you haven't, got one yet, but this is your chance. Each day is different. Okay, so that's what I love about this. So the point of it all is for my customers to have something to look forward to, but also, they have something to look forward to. They're learning at the same time and getting inspired to, yes, let me just keep going. I got this. Yes, it is difficult when you're first starting, but everything is difficult. If you're learning something new, it's going to be a little bit more challenging, okay, or a little bit more overwhelming. But you really just need to, at the end of the day, look at your why. Don't compare yourself with other people and what they have or what they're doing. Just focus on you. Focus on your situation. Focus on why you want to do this. Focus on why you are trying to do better. Because it is possible. I went through the same thing, and I have to tell you, I feel confident. I felt all over. My mind was all over the place. I felt like I just didn't know what I was doing, because I didn't. I was overspending. I was just all over. and it is an awful feeling. I just like the fact that I was able to feel confident at the end. You know, when I started learning everything and I started making changes, I started feeling better as a person. But before I was depressed, and it's an awful feeling. Okay, so I want my customers to be able to have something inspirational every single month. So if February and March do well, then I will be moving forward to doing a subscription. I've asked people, what do you prefer? I think having a subscription is a lot of fun. This way you don't have to worry about it, just automatic. And then getting the prepping together, and it just, you know, it's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put one of these together. I have packs here. I gotta get them ready to get them out the door before the post office gets here. You have this beautiful February calendar. You can put it at your desk. And again, for February, this is what it is. Okay, it's going to be different for it's going to be pretty much the same concept. So let's just say, you know, it'll be a March dashboard. It'll be 3 sticker sheets, but they'll be different. And then you have a motivational card, which I have here. It's different. You should see the dashboard for March. OMG, it's so pretty. Okay, so you have your trio dashboards, which is a personal size, and then you have your 3 sticker sheets. Cute. Your February dashboard. I put the stickers in between so that way nothing happens to them. And the 4x4. This is the thank you. This is the vinyl sticker. Oops, I'm so sorry. I thought I was in view. That's the vinyl sticker, and I have so much stuff around, and it's looking a little cluttered. So here it is, and it is so adorable. I love it. Here we go. So these are the ones that are done, and then I also have some other ones that are already in the packing. So I'm going to start packing those now, bring those downstairs so that way, because the post office will be coming shortly. And here we go. So the ones I have now are, okay, so these are the ones I was doing over the weekend. This was just a short video. I wanted to just talk a little bit about the packs, but I also wanted to give you some inspiration as well. It's Monday, and I feel like people are just feeling a little bit blah. So check out the reel that I posted today. I did it a little bit late. It wasn't something that was planned, but I wanted to give some type of inspiration for you guys. You know, so we all go through our struggles, but really at the end of the day, we have to just think about what we are doing, why we are doing this. You know, why do you want to do better? It's not something that you don't already do. You already, you know, chances are if you have children or you're on your own, you do pay your bills already. So, you know, we're just trying to look at better ways to save your money, to get better with it, to make sure you can start saving for an emergency. I mean, I have my own struggles, and I still have to work through those as well. So believe me when I say you can do that. Actually doing a 50% off sale, and that is, you know, why I did that. I just did it for you guys. So I did the 50% off today, which is any type of budget planner that is in my shop. It's 50% off, and you just need to use the code budget50, all caps. And I just wanted to show you, this is my dated. I went ahead and changed my cover, and that is the fun thing about this, is that when you are using the dated all-in-one, this is the only type of budget planner we have in the shop that is dated, but you're able to switch out the covers, and so that's what makes it fun, because different seasons, and I don't want you to start using a planner and starting and stopping. And so that's why these were created. Okay. So this way you don't get bored with just the cover. Do you know what I mean? And so this way you can stay consistent, use your budget planner for the full year. Okay. Don't forget to share your decorating, share your highlighting, share everything with me. If you guys have time, take some pictures and send them to me. All right, guys, I'll let you guys go. I hope you have a great day. Bye.